everybody, Jay Jackson here today, and welcome to my channel. To all my new subscribers, hello. To all my old subscribers, hello and welcome back. So in today's video, I am featuring a DIY that I will be doing for a thrift item that I had for about a year. And so I figure I'm wanting to change that. You know how all the creativity is with most of us today. Those that love to create things, our minds are always changing. So I looked at the item, I said, I think I want to DIY you. So that is what I'm going to do in today's video. So let's get started with the video. Okay, yeah, as I was saying.